Welcome to Varia Living, your new home in the heart of Puerto Vallarta. Imagine living in a place where weekdays feel like a weekend in paradise. At Varia Living, we've created a space where fun, culture, and life come together in perfect harmony. We invite you on a journey to your next life destination, where excitement never ends, and where you'll become part of a unique community. Welcome to Varia Living, your home in the heart of Puerto Vallarta. With a prime location in charming Old Town Puerto Vallarta, Varia Living invites you to embark on a new adventure every day of the year. Our contemporary spaces include an exciting collection of 1- and 2-bedroom urban homes, as well as a unique selection of 1- and 2-bedroom 2-story lofts. Here, you'll find everything you need to enjoy a vibrant and exciting lifestyle. You have the choice between our stylish lofts and our spacious units. Visit our website in the comments section for more information. But that's not all. Varia Living offers you so much more. A beautiful teak roof deck where you can enjoy stunning views of the ocean, city, and mountains. A rooftop pool, perfect for cooling off and enjoying time with your friends. Relaxation areas with comfortable lounges, umbrellas, and conversation spots for unwinding and soaking up the sun. A fire pit for cozy evenings, where you can share stories and laughter. A barbecue area with seating and a bar for hosting your own gatherings and events. Shared social and relaxation spaces to connect with other residents and feel part of a united community. An elevator for your convenience and accessibility. 24-hour building security for your peace of mind. Varia Living is more than just a condominium, it's a way of life. Here you'll find the perfect combination of comfort, luxury, and location, all in the heart of Puerto Vallarta's LGBT district. Imagine stepping out of your home and being just steps away from the bars, restaurants, and clubs that make this city a world-renowned LGBT destination. Don't miss the opportunity to live at Varia Living. This is your space to live, enjoy, and create unforgettable memories in a place you can truly call home. Contact us today and start your next adventure at Varia Living.